So now I'm going to do some sauce. It's called sauce Chien. It's to go with the pavé of salmon. This is a specialty from the Antilles françaises, the Guadeloupe particularly, and the Martinique. So it's a lovely sauce with some spice, and in the ingredient there is some piment, like this, spicy, some onion, and some parsley, and some lemon juice, and that's it. I'm going to cut all these vegetables. Garlic, the fresh garlic. There you go. Use the green part and the white part. And to put some piment. So just a little bit because it's super spicy. There we go. It's a lovely little color. Lime. Here you go. I just cut it. I'm fast. Fast as a light. Here. Just a little bit. Right. And it just makes a lovely color. I'm going to do some salmon, a pavé de saumon. It's a salmon from actually Scotland, beautiful and fresh. I'm going to cook it into the oven for only 12 minutes, temperature 175. And then I'm going to use it. Look at the bird. Salmon is, I'm going to cut it into two because they're big. Right. I'm going to stick it in here. 1 and 2 and 6. I'm going to put some salt, just a little bit. Just a little bit of salt. And of course, pepper. And then some fresh vegetable oil, just a little bit. Here you go, just a drizzle. Et voilà. So lovely. They are lovely. I'm going to add the salmon. Here we go. Perfect. Just like this. Sauce then you will pour here. Here you go.